6 benefits of cooking with children. We want health, empowerment, intelligence, happiness, and independence for our children, but how much opportunity do we give them? On the other hand, common interests are needed to strengthen the bond between family members. At the same time, doing activities in which each person can contribute as much as they can make them feel valued. Cooking is one of the happiest things that should not be overlooked. Here are 6 of the most important benefits of cooking with children, as evidenced by several studies by psychologists. 1. Increase attention, accuracy, and focus. Activities such as transferring liquids and solids from one container to another and the skill of crushing and dividing increase the accuracy, attention, and concentration of our children. 2. Reduce stress and anger. Working with natural ingredients, cutting, preparing, and kneading dough are activities that, in addition to strengthening our children's muscles, are also effective in reducing our children's stress and anger. 3. Increase mathematical intelligence. Depending on the age of the child, you can give him various tasks such as measuring, weighing, determining volume and size. For example, tell him that we need 3 medium-sized eggs, 5 cloves of garlic, and so on for today's meal. By choosing a simple recipe, you can make a simple cookie with your child so that he can taste the result of his own efforts. 4. Opportunity for interaction and teamwork. Working together over a simple recipe gives the child unique experiences. They will also experience the possibility of working with you and their siblings, which will be an enjoyable and instructive experience for them. 5. Time management and problem solving. In the process of cooking, you and your child may encounter sudden events that require immediate decisions and immediate change. Whatever the outcome, it is a fun and different experience for your child. Your reaction in such situations is important from the perspective that, instead of protesting and complaining, you will seek to solve the problem. 6. Artwork and stimulating creativity. Homemade pizza is one of the best options for cooking with a child. It also has a round screen on which you can play as you wish and stimulate the child's creativity. Finally, I must remind you that children eat the foods they have prepared better. To have a successful child and a more successful family, you need to include cooking with your child in your life plan.